Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Let's explore the interesting and exciting things ahead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest content. Let's get started. Two heavy tractors were carrying two large excavators moving on the bumpy road. On sturdy trailers, the excavators with huge buckets were carefully fixed, ready to go to the construction site. The truck loaded with wood was struggling to move on the muddy road after a heavy rain. The wheels kept slipping in the mud, sinking deep, making it extremely difficult to move forward. The driver tried to adjust the throttle and steering wheel, trying to find a way out of the challenging road. Although the car had strong power, the heavy load and the soft road surface made the wheels almost stuck. Little by little, the car roared, trying to overcome. If it could not escape on its own, the assistance of a tractor or bulldozer might be needed to help the car out of the muddy area. The heavily loaded truck slowly climbed the steep slope, facing a challenging stretch of road. The engine roared. The wheels gripped the road to avoid slipping backwards. The driver focused highly, steering the vehicle carefully to maintain balance, especially when going through sharp turns. Each time he turned, the vehicle tilted slightly, the rear wheel almost touching the edge of the cliff. Just one small mistake, the entire vehicle could lose control. With extensive experience, the driver adjusted the speed appropriately, held the steering wheel firmly, safely passed each turn, and continued the arduous journey ahead. This is the excavator working strongly in the middle of the wood yard, the crane extended, using the bucket to firmly grip each large log. With high precision, the machine gently lifts the logs off the ground, rotates the bucket, and places them neatly on the waiting custom truck. Each bundle of wood is loaded quickly. The truck is gradually full. The custom truck driver observes carefully, adjusting the position to ensure the load is balanced. When the truck is fully loaded, the excavator lowers the boom, completes the job, and prepares for the shipment to the collection point. The special excavator was equipped with a sharp saw blade, working strongly in the middle of the forest. The machine's arm extended, the saw blade rotated quickly, cutting through the large tree trunk decisively. The roar of the engine mixed with the sound of sawing wood, each tree trunk fell neatly. The powerful tractor pulling the heavy trailer behind slowly moved on the challenging road. The engine roared, the wheels rolled slowly but surely, little by little overcoming the steep and dangerous curves. The driver focused highly, controlling the vehicle carefully to ensure safety. Under the huge weight, the vehicle still firmly held the road, step by step moving towards the destination, completing the task of transporting goods to a safe place. This is a powerful wood-cutting machine. The sharp saw blade rotates quickly, cutting each large log into small panels or wood chips as needed. The sound is steady when the blade touches the wood grain, creating precise cuts. The machine is commonly used in wood processing workshops, helping to increase productivity and reduce manual labor. With large capacity, It can handle many different types of wood, from raw tree trunks to pre-processed wood, ensuring consistent quality and size for the final product. The excavator was working at full capacity. The bucket was extended. Each large bucket of dirt was scooped up and dumped into the dump truck waiting next to it. The engine roared. The tracks gripped the ground to maintain balance while working. The dump truck slowly moved into position, ready to receive the load. Layers of dirt were dumped down, dust flew up, signaling that the work was taking place urgently. After the bucket was full, the dump truck left, making room for another truck to enter, continuing the cycle of work on the construction site. The driver was highly focused, steering carefully to ensure safety. The vehicle was pulling a huge load, requiring skillful driving techniques and solid experience. All eyes were on the vehicle, witnessing its arduous but powerful journey on the challenging road. The heavy tractor pulled a long trailer, carrying two giant cranes behind. With its large weight and massive size, the journey required the driver's full concentration. On the road, the vehicle moved slowly but powerfully. Sharp turns and steep slopes became a big challenge, requiring precise driving techniques. Under the hot sun, the engine roared. The wheels rolled slowly but surely, ensuring the two cranes were transported safely to the construction site. A dump truck working at a construction site suddenly caught fire. Flames erupted from the engine compartment and quickly spread to the front of the vehicle. Black smoke billowed into the air, signaling a dangerous situation. The excavator, after completing its work at the construction site, was ready to be transported to the new location. The driver carefully maneuvered the excavator onto the tractor trailer. With the guidance of those around him, each crawler slowly rolled onto the solid floor. The special excavator is equipped with a sharp cutting bucket, which can easily cut large logs. When operating, the saw blade mounted on the bucket rotates quickly, cutting off the tree trunk neatly. After cutting, the excavator uses a powerful hydraulic arm to arrange the logs neatly, making it easy for the truck to transport. With its precision and power, this excavator helps increase the efficiency of collecting wood, reduce manual labor, and ensure that the work is faster and safer. The log wall press is a powerful device, specialized in breaking large logs into smaller pieces. With a high-pressure hydraulic system, the machine can easily press hard wood trunks, separating them along natural cracks or along pre-oriented blades. When operating, the press slowly pushes the steel plate down, creating a huge compressive force on the log, causing it to break into many smaller pieces. Thanks to that, the wood processing work becomes faster and more efficient. A tractor carrying logs was moving around a sharp curve on a rough forest road. Due to the heavy load and dangerous slope, the vehicle tilted sharply as it entered the curve. The weight of the large logs behind it upset its balance, causing the tractor to tip over onto the side of the road. The bulldozer and crane work together to transport the logs from the mining area to the staging area. The bulldozer is responsible for leveling the ground, creating a stable path on rough terrain, making it easier to move the logs. Meanwhile, the crane with its sturdy hook slowly lifts the heavy logs, moves them, and stacks them neatly onto the truck. Thanks to the harmonious combination of these two types of machinery, the work of transporting logs is faster and safer, even on difficult terrain. The powerful wood chipper uses a sharp saw blade to cut large logs into moderate lengths. After the logs are cut neatly, the machine's hydraulic arm quickly arranges and places the logs on the dump truck for transport. Thanks to its high power and precision, this machine helps the logging and transportation of wood to take place quickly, saving labor and ensuring safety. With the support of the wood chipper, the dump trucks can be loaded with wood and leave the mining area efficiently. The tractor trailer carrying the giant wind turbine slowly navigated dangerous curves. The length and sheer size of the turbine made driving challenging. The specialized wood-cutting machine operates powerfully. The sharp saw blade rotates quickly, cutting large logs into small pieces accurately. With a modern hydraulic system, the machine can adjust the cutting size as required, helping to optimize the wood processing process. The powerful log puller is designed to work in harsh conditions, from deep forests to muddy roads. With a high-power engine and specialized track or tire systems, the machine can pull large, heavy logs with ease. Seven specialized vehicles are on duty on challenging roads. The tree breaker is a powerful piece of equipment, specially designed for collecting and processing timber after logging. With a sturdy clamp and powerful hydraulic system, the machine can collect many large tree trunks at once, neatly arranging them for transport.